Well, hello there, Frob and Jasper. How can I help you two? Marvin, we have someone to show you. Oh yes, why show me you two? I see you two have brought a girl to me. What's her name? Marvin, this is Bagi. Bagi, this is Marvin. Hello, Marvin. She's the other mutant that escaped the laboratory with us. I must say, are there other mutant animals like her that escaped the laboratory? Probably not. Our other mutant friends, such as Hilda, Rojo, and Clyde, probably came from a different laboratory. I wonder what type of laboratory they came from.